Welcome, today I'm showing you how to activate Hey Google option into a Motorola Moto G200. First of all, open your Google application, this one, and then you click in the bottom right corner, More, and here will be settings. Then you choose voice, and here we got Hey Google block option. Click voice match, click here to turn on the switcher. Access your Google Assistant, click next, I agree, and now we activate Hey Google option into a Motorola. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.